how's it going? Today we're going to be building a raised garden bed. I've already built several of these for our yard. This is all new to us due to the quarantine and coronavirus and stuff like that, so maybe you're going through the same thing. But I've had pretty good luck with these raised garden beds. They're pretty easy to build, pretty inexpensive comparatively. I think I can get away with all of the materials for around $35, so that's not bad at all. But yeah, let's take a look at what's involved. These are just kind of prototypes right now. I'm trying to feel it out and see what materials are going to be best. I'm making sure to use heat treated, not chemically treated wood, but essentially we have kind of fence slats for the sides. 3 of those gets us to about 8-10 inches high, and 2x4s for the corners. I want to go to cedar posts, but I will whenever I start building these, to last. Once I'm finished with these, or pretty much have my design figured out, I'll probably be donating these to another family or someone else in need. But where I'm going to put it is right here in kind of this bare spot in my yard. A trampoline was over this spot for a while, and grass is really hard to grow in this area, and it just becomes muddy when it gets wet, so I figured a garden bed right there would be great. We had a corn mishap. I had a bag of corn that we were going to plant, and one of our dogs got into it, and so we noticed corn sprouting from random places in the yard right around here. And sure enough, it was where some of the seeds were, and they got stepped on and kind of stepped down into the ground. So dug those up. It's kind of a ugly part of the yard right now, and I think it's a really good spot to put a garden bed. So let's get busy. So the beds I'm building are 8 feet long, 4 feet wide, and essentially I just take these boards here and cut 3 of them in half, and then that gives me the ends, and then I use 6 for the sides. And these 2x4s here I'll use as the corner post. I'll just drill in kind of the 3-inch deck screws, and I may put in a middle support on this one. I've noticed some of these, as we put in the fill, they start to kind of not really buckle, but they're a bit uneven on the sides, and so it's not going to be a problem. It's not going to affect anything, but I don't really like the way it looks. And also I think having a middle support, I can put a board on top now, so if you need to kind of sit on it and lean in to do any kind of pruning or anything like that, it'll be comfortable. So we'll see. So I got my end pieces cut, and now I'm just going to hammer in the deck screws into the ends, so that way to make for easier drilling. So there's the ends, here's all the sides, and there's 2x4s, so let's get started. Full of limbs and everything like that, and leaves on top of the limbs before putting in the soil. All right, that was quite a workout. It's like April 8th and already reached 95 degrees here in Central Texas. It was like 98% humidity as well, so it was a hot one. But we got it built, we got it in the ground, we got dirt in it. It's supposed to rain, so we're kind of waiting to see if that happens. We need some more dirt, so we're gonna probably put about 6 more bags just to raise it up, so you don't have to bend over as much when getting what you want out of there. I'm not quite sure what we're gonna plant in there. I know my wife has it planned out, so I'll have to ask her. But yeah, thanks for watching, and hope this was informative and gives you some ideas. Again, these are not really meant to last long term. This is just to see if we can maybe grow some things without killing them, and then see where we might want to put these on the property and things like that for the long term. So thanks for watching. See you later.